I secured my Sephora's favorite makeup experts kit, and let me share you my opinion about it and whether it's worth your money or not. We get in this kit is this amazing makeup bag. Now let me show you one by one all the products we will be going to get inside. The first thing which we are getting here is Hung Wango Fashion Black eyeliner. This is something which I was really excited to try because this is my first product from Hung Wango. And this eyeliner itself cost $32, so that's a great start for us. Another product which we got in this kit is Beauty Blender, and this Beauty Blender again cost $32. Wow, we have already crossed 60 here, and the whole price of the kit is $125. So I mean, yeah, I think that's a great start. The next product which we are getting here is Makeup Forever lip liner in shade Endless Cacao. I do not have this shade, so I am really excited, and I am pretty much sure this lip liner is about 30 something dollar. Let's see. Yup, it is $35.50. So wow. And the next product we are getting here is One Size Ultra Pink Setting Spray. So the mini ultra fine powder itself is for $50 itself. So I think this kit already is worth it. This is something which I was really excited because this is one product which I was trying to secure it since last year, but it was always out of stock. So I think this is a great start for me because I would be able to try it. This is Danessa Myricks Liquid Blurring Balm Setting Spray. Itself is of $31. Wow. The next thing is our favorite Huda Beauty primer, and this also cost for around 30 something dollars. This particular primer is of full size and it's of $41. Next product is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freezing Gel. Brow Freeze Gel is for $22. Product is from Patrick Ta's Blush Duo, the mini one. It's in shade She Goes to the Gym, I guess. Yes, and I think this cost around 35. This cost for $35, and this shade I have never tried, so I'm excited for that as well. The next product, again, it's very expensive brand. It's Violet Frey. I don't know how to pronounce that. Things about this balm. It's beautiful shade as well. The next product is Natasha Denona's Eye Sculpt Palette. This is again curated only for this particular pack. I have not seen this particular eyeshadow palette before. A stunning palette. I won't be able to tell you the price, but assuming that Natasha Denona is very expensive brand, I would say maybe around 30 something dollar, 35 or something. Really willing to secure my hands on is Makeup by Mario eyeshadow stick. This particular liquid eyeshadow I really wanted to try since it launched, but I was unable to secure my hands just because it's really expensive. Liquid eyeshadow is for $40. I mean, I highly believe that this particular Sephora favorite kit was one of the best launches of this year. And I believe if you really want to try all the newest launched products and you have never tried any of these products before, this is the time. I mean, if it's still available in store, you should secure this pack because you would be able to get to try so many amazing and expensive products which you might not have tried it just like me. So yeah, I think that is definitely a great steal deal for me. But let me know if you have secured this particular pack, whether you liked it or not. I would love to know your opinion. Okay, bye.